Alright students, let's look at this question here, which was taken from the year 2019 Diamond High School paper 1 question 6. This question is on complex number, but it's a bit different. Interesting is the interesting part is that they incorporate like some sequence and series, I think, different, yeah, in it. Okay, so for the first part, I think you should be able to do this quite quickly. Alright, so this is actually a pretty straightforward question here. So if you want to find the argument of Wn, you just arc both sides. So let me just copy this expression down. It will be number 1. So you have Wn equals to, well, this is a very long thing to write. So basically what you have is actually here, long 1, and then you have got 1 plus n minus 1 factorial. So 1 plus n plus 1i. Okay, so this part here is okay. Then once you just copy lah, actually just copying. So this is 1 plus ni square. Great. So if you want an argument, just arc both sides now. Argument of this just means you argument this, right? Now remember that when you argument this, this behaves like a logarithm, the logarithmic rule that you learn. So this would be argument multiple of 1 plus n minus 1, n minus 1. Let me write this down properly. Maybe I should use this bracket. So plus argument of 1 plus n plus 1i minus 2 argument 1 plus ni. Okay, anyway, minus 2 square lah. So this square could be brought down like logarithm, exactly like this square could be brought down. So that's why it's just 2. Okay, and just take note of the way they this q is actually 2, negative 2, r is 1, and p is 1. Okay, so in other words, just rewrite this whole thing here. We have argument 1 plus n minus 1i minus 2 argument 1 plus ni, because this is a sequence that, this is the sequence that they want us to write down. So this is 1 plus n plus 1i. Okay, so p qr, so in other words, p is equals to 1, q equals to minus 2, and r equals to 1. Alright, so there you go. This is how you do the first part.